Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.
White teeth not only improve your personality but also make your smile more beautiful, attractive and effective. If your teeth are yellow, they always dim your smile as well as the overall look of your personality. I am going to tell few teeth whitening tips that can easily be done at home in fraction of amount to achieve white sparkling teeth. Home remedy number 1. Peroxide and baking soda. Make the paste of peroxide and baking soda and brush your teeth gently with this paste for about at least 2 minutes. Doing this twice a week, you will see that this paste make your teeth white, remove stains from your teeth and your smile begin to get brighter in few days. Home remedy number 2. Strawberry. Strawberries are great for whitening your teeth because they contain enzymes called malic acid, which is found in many whitening toothpastes. The fiber in strawberries also helps you to remove bacteria from your teeth and mouth. So take a strawberry and rub it across each tooth for a few seconds to make your teeth white and free of stains. Home remedy number 3. Olive oil. Dip the corner of a washcloth into some olive oil and rub your teeth with it. Repeat a few times. You will able to see difference within a few days. Home remedy number 4. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is one of the easiest of all home remedies for whitening teeth and remove stains. So simply dip your toothbrush into apple cider vinegar and brush your teeth as you normally would be make your teeth white, beautiful and stain removed. Paste of apple cider vinegar with baking soda will be also beneficial for lot of stains to be removed from your mouth. Home remedy number 5. Banana peel. Rub the interior of the banana peel across your teeth for at least 2 minutes because it is a great teeth whitener and it offers a number of vitamins and minerals that are essential for healthy teeth and gums. So use banana peel as your regular toothpaste to enjoy a white smile. And use this tip every single day without any hesitation until your teeth are as white as you want them to be. Home remedy number 6. Avoid smoking. Avoid smoking because it is very harmful not only for your health but also for your teeth. The unclean brown stain on your teeth are caused by excessive use of nicotine. So you can make your teeth white and clean by avoiding cigarette or cigars. Home remedy number 7. Lemon peel and juice. Rub the interior of the lemon peel across your teeth for a few minutes to make your teeth white and shining. Lemon juice can also be effective for teeth whitening because it contains high level of acid. And of course all women are familiar with lemon's importance in losing weight and making your skin fresh, healthy, white and young. Home remedy number 8. Green tea. Take a cup of green tea regularly because it contains flavonoids and other ingredients which prevent harmful bacteria from sticking to teeth and block the production of a types of sugar that contribute to cavities. Green tea also contains high amounts of fluoride which are really helpful for healthy and whitening teeth. Replace your toothbrush regularly. Replace your old toothbrush with new toothbrush at least 2 or 3 months. If you don't replace your toothbrush, you are just transferring bacteria to your mouth. So spend a little money at toothbrush and change it regularly according to the advice of your dentist. Visit to a dentist specialist. Visit to a dentist specialist once or twice a year. If you are careful about your beautiful, shiny and healthy set of teeth, many of you don't know the importance to visit to a dentist for treating their teeth. At last, I bet all the homemade teeth whitening remedies written above will not disappoint you. Within a week or two, your teeth will look healthy, strong, beautiful, white and attractive. Now your work is the practical implementation of this tip in your daily life. Thanks for watching this video. Like this video, share this video and subscribe our channel for more interesting videos.